Grocery stores, my wife's unsafe, you know. Some people grow up in an area where it's like, hey, look, it's not mine. I'm gonna leave it alone. Oh, left behind, they're not gonna steal it, bro. Where did it come from, you know? Can I get it back to the owner? Why would we let thieves into our neighborhood? Shit, man, if you're gonna steal from me, fuck, I'd give it to ya. That way there's not a confrontation. I may not have to shotgun ya, bro. Because that's what the end is like. If I feel my family is threatened, I don't mind helping out a family that's struggling. But don't, please, invade my family without thinking your life is not in jeopardy. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Means something to me. A card in my pocket, what the fuck, you see? Ridiculous. Giving back the fucking government guns. I'll make my own out in my shop, bro. No serial numbers to trace them. That's what the Second Amendment is meant. Constricting us. Controlling us. Frog in boiling water does not drink his wine. Walking along the west coast, you'll get arrested, you know. You'll get arrested, you know. Why can't you take a glass of beer and walk down onto the pier? Why? Living in a police state. It's surrounded you lately. You don't even see your fate. Why? You're an adult. You want a glass of beer and you want to walk on our coast? Why is the law going to stop you, you know? We don't need a police state. What we need is small towns to close down their streets. Walk along. Drink anywhere. Go into the local bars. The galleries. Enjoy the neighborhood, man. Give to the local businesses. You don't have to go into a little cubicle when you just want to drink up wine, you know. Prisoner, you're not. You're a fucking citizen of a country that is represented by a man. It's supposed to protect my rights, brah. That means a glass of water, glass of wine or beer, anywhere on our road. Don't fuck with me if I haven't done anything to hurt my community. It's all over for me. So sick of these restrictions, you see. Don't make me put down my wine, my whiskey that I've taken lots of time. Fuck, I put 2 ice in it. Little Jack Daniels on some ice. Why are you fucking with me if I'm not hurting anybody? Why? Why do we allow this shit? Why do we need our government to restrict us, to choke us with a fucking boot on our back? Gives me a heart attack. They represent me. I want to drink a glass of wine on the street, that's all, bro. God bless you, you know. Mad Hatter, out, you know. Hope you have a good night. I'm gonna go eat a fish fry. My kid's cooking. Out. Cool.